Down to Hadrin Beach. We're going to get a private boat. Leon's getting ready. Now we're about to get a private boat over to Koh Samui. It's cost us 3,500 baht, which is about 1,000 baht is about 23 quid, 23 pounds. Times by 3.5.
It's just us, it's our private.
About 80 quid, 70, 80 quid. No. Well, yeah, I think so.
Oh, the private yacht. What's this? We'll have to give him a lift. We'll be on pedals, all three of us.
I know, yeah, pedals.
Pedal boat. You know later on, how much time shall we give
But if you want to come back for, you come back 7 p.m. You call me 7 or drive for here maybe 30 minutes, 35, yeah? We wait there.
Okay. 30-minute drive. If it becomes a likely, then we'll just get a night possibly. Come back on that. Thank you.
You can sit for in the middle together.
Yeah. Cheeks are cooked.
I know. The rudder on that. Can't believe they're directing with that.
Yeah.
What do you think the chances are capsizing?
Not so much. Not so much. I want to see what this bad boy can do.
Got some torque.
Oh, aye, yeah. Not even at revs though. You wait till that turbo kicks in. And the engine it is.
Tell me about it.
If you want to come back, you come back here, okay?
Back here, yeah,
Okay.
no problem.
I'll bring Big Buddha.
Pardon?
For the night, I'll bring Big Buddha.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay, up.
Yeah.
Here we are. We're off. Go over to Chaweng Beach. Check that out. What do you think of that boat ride then?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
It was just noisy, weren't it?
It was noisy.
Very noisy.
But it was
Hey, we're good, we got it.
different experience. I've never had an engine like that on.
No,
Massive turbo diesel engine on, on a propeller.
Yeah, I've never.
Never seen that in my life.
No.
Poor fish, I bet they get sliced up by that thing. You see it at the end of it?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, they got loads of cannabis shops, haven't they?
Yeah, loads.
Like all over Koh Phangan and here as well, like first thing you see.
Yeah.
They're not. Did they get coffee?
Can do.
Get a coffee. Can I get an iced cappuccino, C3?
Iced cappuccino.
Yes, please.
For takeaway.
Takeaway, please. Thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's fine. Thank you. Leon, sawadee-ka means hello in Thai.
Sawadika.
Sawadee-ka.
Sawadika.
And kapunka means thank you.
Right. Can you get a mixed one?
Eh?
Does that come with chips? Half rice, half chips.
So we've just got a taxi right from where we got dropped off. 500 baht to get to Chaweng Beach. With Leon. Alright, it's excursion. What's that?
This is busy.
Yeah. There's a busy road. So we just got out of the taxi. This is Chaweng Beach. This is the centre. Just gonna get a few bits. Leon needs a vest. I need a beach towel. So let's get a shirt like that, Leo.
What, look like you have no walking that beach?
Why not?
I have to shirt for that home at 9. You know, not for now. I don't need a shirt now.
No, but if you pick one up, you can take it. Vests here, Leon. They're all real as well.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
I have size more, big size.
Have you got a vest like this?
Same exactly.
No.
Coffee.
Yeah.
And one more design. Wait till I show you. Wait, I have more design.
You bought a vest, yeah?
Style you like.
Why do you get that
Best
two-pack
price
one?
for you.
Oh, what?
Leon, you got the two-pack one. Trust nobody.
Just
Design that.
Okay.
Yes, and this also wears.
yeah, I want something. I don't want some. I want something nice and thin. You know, because yeah, nice and thin.
Nice, very nice. This style, many like. Okay, and this also Koh Samui Thailand one. Very nice one, white black. Good
Yeah,
one.
this one, something plain, not too
White?
not too big like this. Yeah, the white.
Yeah,
like-
I give you.
Big on the back though.
Is it?
think.
Back is okay.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah.
I can keep that. Yeah, yeah.
Black, yeah, white.
Which
No
one?
white.
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 This one.
Help me.
Oh, sorry.
This one.
I was gonna
Wow.
I was gonna lift you up.
Okay. My friend.
I'm only joking. I'm joking.
You are sad. This is little back, nice.
Yeah, it's a good top lot. Do you sell any towels?
Towel, yes. Apa dah?
Thank you.
Yeah, you waiting ya? She cry or not?
Yeah, you try it.
More towel. Big, small. Okay, I have. Yes, yes. Right side. Look, cute.
You look cute.
Cute.
It's mirror over there.
Yeah, more color. You see? White, red. Yeah. Come.
See here. He's not got like open like this
Yeah, open, yeah, this style. This style have open one.
Get the one with the shades.
Shades. This one.
This one is
Can I-
finished
can I-
now, only one. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can give you 450. Yes.
50.
450. Sorry.
Why? My boss like this. Wow, good job. Oh my God, I'm also job.
We're only joking. It's
Yes,
a joke.
yeah. I'm no bargain. I'm sure many people coming.
Yeah.
So normally after 250, I give you 200 baht.
200.
Yes. Not to like bargain. I okay.
What's that?
Because only
Five
one
quid.
finish. You are lucky.
Good size. Is it?
Yeah.
Tie.
Have a look. Have a look. Oh, the. Yeah, yeah.
Oh what?
This to tank top in Thailand. Every man like this style.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Well, that's what it is.
Just for you 200 and no bargain.
200. 600 for both. Yeah.
Normally I'm not on selling this price just for you.
Thank you. You're very
Thank
kind.
you.
What's your name?
My name is Sima.
Sima. Bilal.
Leon.
Okay, Leo.
Nice to meet you.
Come
Thank
back.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
so
Thank you. I
much.
just need this.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is mine. With
Kapung kap.
Shopping cart. No, I give you plastic bag. No.
I know, but then carrying bag.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, yeah, I'll just get you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
You too.
I'll get some Muay Thai shots to you and get your balls knocked in.
So this is the way to the beach. Chaweng Beach. Sketchy. Looks like it's. Everyone goes this way. Feel like heat on the shoulders and neck.
Yeah, it's nice.
You put some sun cream on your neck.
Yeah. Just not on my fat head.
And you just had a haircut as well.
Like a bulbous helmet. There we are.
Here we are.
There's the pool.
Gonna cool down, come here.
So we're just gonna have a jump in. I'll let you go first.
It's a bit messy this, isn't it?
This isn't the wrong place here, mate. We should have gone down that path there where I said, look, that's the path. And then the steps there.
Oh, right.
But we're in someone's crack den here.
It's alright. We took the scenic route.
Look at this. This is the beach.
That's a beautiful one.
Yeah, that is.
That's really nice. Very calm, the sea.
Yeah. Peaceful, isn't it? Do you know to go from like the busy road and then a few hundred yards walk and you're here? Nice, isn't it?
It is nice. So me and Leon decided to come to for a massage. We just had the massage. It was amazing. Just had a massage.
That was good, that.
It was really good.
Really good.
I went for the traditional oil massage. Leon went
neck.
for the
Neck, back and shoulders. Neck, back, shoulders, arms, good.
His was a little longer. Mine was about 750 baht, and yours was
950.
950.
950, I think.
So about what, 15-20 pounds here and there. Whereas in England, if you get a massage, it's standard £40 or something like that.
Yeah.
But that's your first ever massage?
Thai massage, yeah. Yeah, good that. Serious, deep. Like,
It helped.
I was twitching a few times. She kept
Yeah.
saying, "Are you okay?"
Yeah.
And then when she asked me to, I thought she was telling me it was finished, but she weren't. She asked me to roll over, so
Oh,
I stood up. She looked at me like, I said, "Good that." She said, "No, look, turn over." I said, "Oh, sorry."
Yeah. They asked me at the beginning, do you want a guy or a girl? I was like,
Guy,
doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. And then when I was in there, they asked me.
I could say so much right now, but that's not the content. Yeah.
Yeah, so I was like,
Especially when they actually get naked.
it was a bit awkward, to be honest. It was a bit awkward.
Did you know that? Did you not know you had to get naked?
No, I didn't know.
When she put the towel up, I thought, he's going to drop his trolleys here.
To be honest, I think if you're going to get a Thai massage, you need to know.
What to get?
No, because I got the traditional Thai massage, so that must mean...
Traditional, yeah.
Obviously, I had a towel around me the whole time.
Yeah.
He was very respectful.
Yeah.
Like, he wasn't just like ripping it off and... No, but anyway, he was very respectful. It was really relaxing. I recommend it if you're downtime in Chaweng beach side. It's
It's nice, isn't it?
yeah, it's good. So they have a lot of different therapies. They have all sorts of them.
Yeah, there's all.
Yeah, but the finish off, nice little touch was tastes like ginger tea. Downtown. Shops. Nothing.